our aims, that's the aims of the men's fellowship nationwide. We have to show love to one another. That is, we go outside the men's fellowship. We start from the men's fellowship and spread it outside. And every year, as part of the men's fellowship is celebrated in Ghana, the Anglican men's fellowship celebrates the men's week. The second week, Monday, starting from Monday, second week Monday, to the end of the week and end on the first Sunday of the third screening. Today being the first day, we just want to look at about 150. Yes.
People are becoming very much aware of their health status. So for us as the men's fellowship, the men of the Cathedral Church, the men of the Anglican Church, we felt that this would be more of our corporate social responsibility. Celebrating our men's week, we decided that we want to screen the members of the church, the parishioners. Basically, we are checking the basic ailments, sugar, blood pressure, and some of these basic things that normally we don't take it serious, but can really cost us a lot. So basically, that is what we are doing to make sure that the men are very fit, are healthy, to do God's work. That's what we are doing. There's no age limit. Everybody is being taken care of, especially our elderly folks who normally wouldn't get time to go to the hospital. We are bringing it to their doorstep. We screen them, then we give them the basic advice that they need to stay healthy. I think the last time I checked, we've crossed a little over 150 because we are dealing with 3 services. Yeah, there's no cost involved, not a penny. The men's fellowship is taking care of everything, so nobody's paying a penny.
News to see